The two most powerful warriors are presence and time. Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given us. The most precious resource we all have is time. Time has a wonderful way of showing us what really matters. Time is a created thing. To say I don't have time is to say I don't want to. No man goes before his time unless the boss leaves early. Time is free, but it is priceless. You cannot own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. Once you have lost it, you can never get it back. The future is something which everyone reaches at the rate of 60 minutes an hour. Whatever he does, whoever he is. The bad news is time flies. The good news is you are the pilot. There is only one thing more precious than our time, and that's who we spend it on. An inch of time is an inch of gold, but you can't buy that inch of time with an inch of gold. There's never enough time to do it right, but there's always enough time to do it over. A man who dares to waste an hour of time has not discovered the value of life. Time is not the main thing, it is the only thing. I'm not particularly interested in saving time. I prefer to enjoy it. Time flies over us, but leaves its shadow behind. Time is what keeps everything from happening at once. It is not that we have little time, but more that we waste a good deal of it. I wish I could turn back the clock and find you sooner so I can love you longer. Time moves slowly but passes quickly. You will never find time for anything. If you want time, you must make it. There's never enough time to do all the nothing you want. They always say time changes things, but you actually have to change them yourself. Time is a waste of money. Time is a great healer, but a poor beautician.